Hi, my name is Christy and I'm a product manager for DEWALT Combo Kits. I'm here today to walk you through our DCK940D2, our 20 volt max lithium ion 9-tool combo kit. So if you need to stock up your toolbox or replace a number of older tools, then combo kits are the way to go. They let you buy several tools at a savings versus purchasing each tool individually. This kit includes all of the tools you need to conquer most projects. It includes a reciprocating saw, an oscillating tool, circular saw, light, drill driver, grinder or cutoff tool, an impact driver, right angle drill, Bluetooth speaker, two 20 volt max lithium ion batteries, a charger, and all of these tools do fit in the 2 included bags. Be sure to check out more of our 20 volt max tools, our fastest growing system, and don't forget your DEWALT accessories. Thanks for watching and have a great day.